This might be one of the crappiest stories I've ever told. It starts off like any normal day. I meet the customer, and he explains what he thinks might be wrong.
Hey, my toilets are clogged, and I think my sewer might be backed up.
So I look around and see the yard all flooded and think, yeah, it kind of gives it away. Anyway, I explain to him that he can't use any of the water fixtures while I'm working on the sewer line. All right, so I'm gonna be working on the sewer line. So no using the water features, no sinks, no shower, no dishes, no toilet, nothing. So I get right to work, digging the hole to reach the sewer line. I didn't really think much of anything else because I already told him not to use the water. I'm sure he's in there eating this giant bowl of cereal with a ridiculous look on his face that says, I completely forgot everything I was just told. Which also means he completely forgot he's lactose intolerant. I'm sure he was in a huge rush to the toilet, completely forgetting about me. So how do I know this? Because that dump went flying through the pipe and hit me right in the back of the head. The moral of the story is, please listen to your plumber. And that's Tales from a Plumber.